And this is Jessica.
Yo! Now, we're gonna do a scientific experiment, and Jewel seems to be ready for it, even though it's not gonna explode, but that's still okay. Safety first.
Safe.
Safety first. Alright, so our problem, or our question, is what is the difference between homogeneous mixtures and heterogeneous mixtures?
Who knows? That's what we're gonna find out.
Exactly. That's exactly how I would have said it. So we both did some research, and what we found out is a heterogeneous mixture is made up of different substances that remain physically separate. So like this, me and Jewel are separate. And a homogeneous mixture is a mixture where the components that make up the mixture are uniformly distributed
Keep that in your mind.
throughout the mixture. So they're mixed up. Woo! Alright, and our hypothesis is that the salt and water mixture will be a homogeneous mixture because our research shows that homogeneous mixtures dissolve and mix up, and I know that salt mixed with water and usually it dissolves.
Research good.
Always gotta have research. I also think that the cornstarch and water mixture is heterogeneous because our research shows, as it should, that a heterogeneous mixture will be separated. Separated. Okay, so we're gonna start. Jewel safetied up. I'm not. That's okay. We have 2 glasses, and we're gonna fill them up with water. Fill it up, fill it up, fill it up. That's good. Okay.
Water.
Now we're gonna fill the other glass up. All right. Second, we have our salt and we have our cornstarch
In a bag.
in a bag. Now we're going to, we have a teaspoon and we're gonna dump the salt in, as Jewel was doing.
Yeah, that's your job.
And that's good. Don't want to spill it everywhere. Yep, in there. Okay,
Okay.
so let's get a little spoon or something. Spoon. Mix it up.
Salt water.
Now, as you can see that there's still salt on the bottom. So maybe our hypothesis is correct. Maybe it's not. We're not sure yet. Second, we are going to open our cornstarch. And let's see, got a teaspoon. And we are going to get a teaspoon of it. As Jewel's cleaning off materials, you should always do that.
You can't mix mixtures.
Because then we might not find out what we're trying to find out. Alright, let's see. Let's hope. I want to get a teaspoon. Here we go. Alright, we're going to dump this in the water. And we're going to plop it around and stir it a little bit. And I'm going to set this off. Okay. So, here you can see that it's all cloudy. So it could be heterogeneous. Now, just to make sure that we are correct, we're going to get 2 more glasses and we're going to do it again. Because scientists always need to check twice or more to make sure that it's right. Isn't that right, Jewel?
Yes, scientists usually do it over 1,000,000 times.
That's why it takes so long to know things from scientists.
You need to be smart like Albert Einstein.
Fill up the water again. That's good. Now let's wash off our materials. Dry them off. Alright. Now, we're going to do the same thing again. And here, we're going to see if these glasses are going to look like these. Okay, so again, we're going to do salt. Joel,
Yes.
if you would like to do the honors.
Love to.
We will take the salt again, fill it up, not too much. That is good.
Salty.
All right. And now Julie's going to mix it up. And let's look here. You can tell on both of them that they are mostly clear. They're a little bit cloudy, but you can still see that there is salt on the bottom. So it hasn't completely dissolved. Next, we are going to use the cornstarch again. So we're going to get our teaspoon of cornstarch.
Perfect amount.
Gotta make sure it's perfect. And then we're going to let it sit a little bit. We're going to stir it up.
Perfecto.
And now, Jewel, do these both look the same? Except
Yes.
that one glass is smaller than the other?
Yes.
Just as we said. They're both the same, just as these two glasses. Except they're not filled with the same things. Now, these are both cloudy because the cornstarch has dissolved, but the salt has not. So, as we said, our hypothesis was that the salt and water mixture would be a homogeneous mixture because we thought it would dissolve, but it seems that did not happen. It's not bad. We at least did our research and
And figured out which one's which.
we did the experiment. We had a little bit of fun, and we realized that the cornstarch is homogeneous and the salt and water is heterogeneous. Now, in conclusion to our giant science experiment, that didn't take very long. That our question was, what is the difference between heterogeneous mixtures and homogeneous mixtures? And as you can see, heterogeneous
Does not
dissolve,
Yes.
just as the salt and water. And homogeneous does dissolve and mix up.
Yes.
So, when you try this, you'll probably get the same results. And
If not,
then we might have done something wrong,
Yes.
or you have too. So, try it,
experiment.
have a little fun with it.
Be safe.
Bring your friends over. Yes, be safe. And we'll see you next time.
Thanks.